Hello everyone, welcome back to Sherry TV. My FabFitFun Summer box is here. It's nice and early, and today we're going to explore if it is worth it. I have a feeling I'm gonna love this box because the cool thing about FabFitFun is you get to customize a lot of your box. In fact, if you're an annual member, you get to customize the whole entire box. So when I was going through things, I was having a hard time choosing, and that usually means the box is going to exceed expectations. Let's get right into it. Wanted to give you a quick disclosure that I have partnered with FabFitFun on this video, but I've been a paying customer since 2016, and all of the opinions today and always are my own. First, let's look at the size of this box. You guys, I can barely even get it on the screen because hello. It's huge. But I should note that FabFitFun uses sustainable packaging these days. So I am thrilled that they have made those changes. They've made all kinds of awesome changes, most recently with their FabFitFun Standard, where they're eliminating a lot of dangerous ingredients. So you're ready to see what's inside? You're ready to see what I picked? Let's do this. Of course, we have a discount code for you as well. It is $10 off your first box. Make sure you use the code SherryTV and my link below. It's right at the top. You can't miss it. Okay, first look. This is what it looks like when you open it up. I can see there's a little surprise on top that I didn't expect. This is from one of my favorite brands. They sent 3 samples of Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. We, as a family, drink this stuff every day. We're gonna get to try lemon, lime, strawberry, and watermelon. Watermelon is one of my favorite flavors. They also just released a pear flavor that you've got to try. This is a bonus. This is going in my next carry-on suitcase because these are amazing for keeping you hydrated on a flight. Just saying. Good job. Good bonus, FabFitFun. Didn't even know that was coming. Let's see what else is in here. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. Where should I even start? I think I'm going to start with what looks like the largest item. Oh, this is so amazing. You guys, it's basically a picnic or beach blanket. And look at that print. Let's open it up together for the first time. I'm trying not to make too much noise or too much thumping here, but this is so luxe. Look at this picnic blanket, guys. Can you see the quilting on this product? This is so beautiful. It's got like a cute 70s kind of mod meets yuppie print. And oh, check this out. You can tell that the back of this is going to be water resistant. When I picked this, I knew it was going to be cute, but I didn't know how high quality it was going to be in person. A little carrying handle here. And let's open it up. I can't really show you the size because it's just absolutely huge. If I can find the dimensions, I'll let you know. But let's just say it is a full picnic blanket size. So this side is meant to keep it protected from water. You know how when you're on a picnic and the grass is all wet and you get wet through your blanket? It's not gonna happen with this. Total win. I love it. I think I'm probably just gonna pop it right in the trunk of my car, like now, so that I can use it when I go out because it's springtime and summer is coming and I'm gonna love it. I think that if you customize for that item, you're gonna be very happy with it. Oh, next up, this is so fun, you guys. This is a Ray Dunn collection. Here is the box. But it's a guacamole and salsa bowl set. Spoiler, that's what's coming out of this box right now. And it has that gorgeous Ray Dunn font that is so popular right now. Oh, I just know these are gonna be so cute. All right, first thing that you see is a couple of little spoons to serve your guacamole and salsa with. Little wooden spoons. And then of course the packaging. I'm going to remove it and make sure you get a nice close-up of this Ray Dunn set. Oh, don't you love that sound of styrofoam? Oh, sorry guys. We'll get it out of there as quickly as we can. Okay, here it is. This will give you a general idea for the size. So here is the salsa bowl, and tucked inside this cute little guac bowl. Oh, you guys, this is amazing. The value on this alone, I mean, it just blows me away. Season after season, what they're able to come up with at FabFitFun for the price that you pay. The value is incredible. Okay, here's the whole set together. The 2 little spoons. This is gorgeous. If you don't have room in your kitchen for these, this would be the most perfect gift, and it even comes in a little box that you can gift it with. But that's not all. The fun just keeps on coming. Okay, what do we have next? Oh, I'm excited to show this to you. When I chose this item, I wasn't sure how big it would be. This is a melamine tray, essentially. This is from To The Market. Let's open this right up. Sorry about all the packaging, but I just got the box and I couldn't wait to open it. I had to open it with all of you. Isn't this gorgeous? Isn't this like so Italian and so cute? You can use this in a gazillion different ways. I think that I might use it in my kitchen to put my coffee canister on. So I have like a canister full of my coffee grounds, and then I have a spoon that I scoop into my espresso maker with, and a little sugar bowl. This would be so cute. You could also use this to organize your kitchen counter, right? Or your bathroom counter. You could put jewelry on it. You could put cotton balls in one corner in a little dish. All of your favorite lotions, day, night lotions, just so many different uses. So happy. So far, I'm loving this so much. Oh, look, I just thought of another use. Look how cute this would be. You could put the guac and salsa bowls on the melamine dish in your kitchen. That's cute. Okay, the value on this is just blowing me away. I'm already completely shocked. Oh, I think I know what this is. I think this is the wine tumbler from Corksicle that I customized. You guys, come on. Look at this. Amazing. Corksicle is all the rage right now. This will keep your wine at the right temperature. I also use these for cocktails, and the ice stays frozen for so long. It has a little sippy area on the top too. So you can see right here that you just go like this and you can sip right out of it. Isn't that cool? And there's a little tiny bit of a golden glittery shimmer to this. I could not be happier. Everybody needs a few stemless wine tumblers in their collection, and this aqua is my all-time favorite color. Are you guys loving this so far? So far, would you say it's totally worth it? I would. Okay. Oh, wow. African Botanicals Shimmering Gold Oil is coming up next. I am going to decide really quickly if we can open this and sample it. I think we can. I don't have my trusty knife on hand, but we're going to do it anyway, because whenever we can swatch something, I really like to do that on air so that you guys can see it. So shimmering body oils are something that I use all the time on my décolleté. So if I'm wearing an off-the-shoulder top and I'm on vacation or just filming something, I like to put a little shimmer on. And here we go. And it has a handy little dispenser there. Let's put a little bit on my hand. There it is. You can see the consistency. And I'm just going to rub it into the back of both hands and then kind of show it to you. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. So it has a nice kind of oily finish and a really subtle gold shimmer. But you guys, wait a minute. What is that smell? It smells like suntan lotion, kind of coconutty. That took me by surprise. It smells incredible. This would be, don't wear perfume when you wear this. Let this scent just take over because it is fantastic. I think I'm getting like pina colada vibes from this. Love, love, love. So glad that I chose this. And it almost makes me want to get another box so I can get another one and gift it. Okay, what do we have here? Ooh, we have the fruit butter lip mask here. Oh, how neat. This I think came in like a little kit. You could customize several things in your box that came in a kit, and I believe that this is one of them. This is a lip mask. I'm not going to open it right now. Typically I like to do that, but because it's sealed, I'm going to leave it sealed so that I can use it a little bit later. But this is awesome. Very cool. And lip masks are certainly not something that I have a lot of. Oh, look, you guys, the Corksicle came with a silicone straw. Let's check it out. I missed that the first time around. That is always nice to have. Okay, here we go. Oh, and it matches too. It's perfect. Look. Okay, so silicone straw. It looks like it'll pop right into here. And you got yourself a little wine picnic, just saying. Or for me, cocktail picnic. I'm a gin cocktails kind of girl. Don't drink wine, but that's cute. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm loving this so much. Okay, FabFitFun, you are reading my mind this season. This is a lime juicer, a citrus juicer. Talk about practical. My current citrus juicer, you guys, all the metal is coming off of it. That sucker is getting donated, and this is going to make its way into my kitchen. This is a very high quality product. It feels So good. It's from a brand called AR and Cook, and it's a citrus squeezer. This would be sufficient for small lemons, but mostly for limes. Dun, dun, dun. This is awesome. I needed this, and I kind of like the fact that it's plastic and not metal, because I find that I'm always fighting with that metal. Oh, I can't wait to get all this stuff into my kitchen. This is just one of the best FabFitFuns that I've gotten in my 5 years with them. I love it so much. Oh, how cute is this, you guys? This is pineapple-shaped ice molds. So summery. This is so cute. You could squeeze a little bit of lime and lemon juice into these and pop them in your freezer so you have ready-made little cubes. I have another tip for you that you might like. If you like to make mojitos, what you can do is take a little bit of mint and freeze it chopped up in here with some water. And then you can add these gorgeous herb-filled ice cubes to your mojito for summer. Or you could put those minty ice cubes in your iced tea or your lemonade. That's what I'm going to be doing with these, is putting some herbs in them. Can you see how glittery my hands still are from this gold glitter? Oh gosh, that smells so good. Let me see if we got everything. I think that was everything in the box. It's absolutely incredible. I'm excited to hear what you all think about it in the comments below. Right now, I'm going to try to think about what my favorite product is that I received, because I always like to do that. I always like to kind of reflect back and think about it. While I'm thinking, I do want to give you some practical information about FabFitFun. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box, and they have lifestyle, beauty, fitness, fashion, all kinds of different things every season. Again, you can get $10 off your first box using my code, and the link below will make it really easy for you to find. Right now, FabFitFun ships to the US, to Canada, and the UK. Also, as I mentioned before, they have a new program called the FabFitFun Standard that ensures that unsafe and harmful ingredients are not in your products. So just wanted to kind of throw that out there for you. If you're trying to eliminate those types of things, know that FabFitFun has your back. All right. This was amazing. I'm so thrilled with everything in it, but I'm going to try to pick my very top favorite thing. It's going to be tough, but I think that for overall just value, because that's really kind of what I like to think about my FabFitFun box, as just an awesome way to stock my home with amazing things for myself, but also amazing things to gift others. I'm going to have to say that this Corksicle little insulated wine carafe is probably my favorite, just because I think it's going to be loved by so many people, and it's just great to have around. It's going to last. If I had to choose a second favorite, I think it might be this cute little melamine tray, because I love the delicate size of it, and I think it has just so many uses. You could use it indoors. You could put lemonade on this and take it outside for a summer picnic. You can use it to organize your bathroom counter. You could put cosmetics on it. You could use it in the kitchen. The possibilities on this are so endless that I think this probably is up there in my favorites. But let me know your thoughts. I know many of you are already FabFitFun subscribers, so tell me what you chose in your box this season. If you're new, I encourage you to give it a try. Use the $10 off code, and then if you enjoy your seasonal subscription, consider upgrading later to an annual membership, because annual members get to customize the whole entire box. And it feels so good to choose what you're getting. Trust me, it's just a wonderful perk. This is great. Thank you all so much for watching and for enjoying this with me, unboxing it with me, and seeing me make all the crazy faces today. I just loved everything in it. Until next time, friends, go do something beautiful.